The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Osage County, Gasconade County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Freeburg or 25 miles south of Lynn, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Owensville, Herman, Lynn, Bland, Freeburg, Rosebud, Mount Sterling, Drake, Swiss, Rich Fountain, Gasconade, Argyle, Bay, Keenan, and Toadstown. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday for portions of central and east central Missouri.